Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Cara. If you're new, today I'm going to be going for a Hydrafacial. It is going to be my third one. I'm actually sitting here editing right now. The last time that I went, I had filmed it, and it was like late February, so then we went like right into quarantine after, so I never posted it because like if you had wanted to get a Hydrafacial, you couldn't because all the like spas and stuff were closed. So I just felt like it was a little irrelevant at the time, but now everything is back open. I'm going for another one today. I'll probably like be doing stories and stuff while I'm there, but I figured it was a great time to upload finally the old footage of my last facial. Before I had ever gotten a Hydrafacial, I kind of always just wondered like what it is exactly, why is it different than other facials, and had a lot of like questions about it because you hear a lot of people getting Hydrafacials, but if you haven't gotten one, you really don't know why it's so like different or special. So I decided to film it, and basically you can just see exactly what they do if you decide to get one. It is like a whole bunch of steps. First she starts off by like steaming you, and then like there's a hot towel, and then like a whole bunch of different suction things, some to like remove your blackheads or whiteheads. Other stuff is for lymphatic drainage and like anti-aging, and yeah, she explains it all in the video. I don't want to say anything wrong. If you also were wondering about a Hydrafacial or just facials in general and didn't know which one was right for you, this video has like all the information you need. And today I know things are going to be a little bit different because, you know, post quarantine, now she's going to be wearing a mask, she's going to be wearing a face shield, and I'm sure she had to like implement some other safety precautions. So just keep in mind that this video was from the end of February, and it was funny in the beginning of this video after I had like mic'd her, but we didn't really mean to start like recording or anything yet. We were just talking, and we were talking about like, oh my gosh, like things are getting so bad in Italy and all of this stuff. And it's just so funny, like late February, you know, how little we knew about what the next like 5 months of and continuing on we're going to be. So yeah, things are going to be a little bit different today, and I'll be posting it on my story, but here's all of the information. And yeah, come along and get a Hydrafacial with me. Guys, I'm at Mia Passion Spa again today, about to get a Hydrafacial.
Hi guys. Hi everyone, my name's Carolyn. I'm the owner of Mia Passion Spa. Today Cara is going to be getting a Hydrafacial. So the Hydrafacial is a machine-based facial. There's 4 steps. It's going to be cleansing, exfoliating, extracting, and infusing. There's also a light glycolic peel involved, and then we're going to add on some cool LED lights to help with redness and also help with circulation, irritation. It's an amazing facial. There's no downtime, and she's going to love her results. So today we are doing Cara's Hydrafacial. The Hydrafacial is an amazing facial. It cleanses, exfoliates, extracts, and infuses the skin. It's really nourishing, it's hydrating, it's anti-aging. It's also known as the red carpet facial. So right now we're just cleansing her face. We're getting it ready to do the actual Hydrafacial. Now I'm just going to remove some of her makeup and remove any cleanser that's on the face. And now we're going to use a hot towel. So now I'm going to analyze Cara's skin to see what treatment is best for her. So Cara, you have perfect skin.
You're lying.
You're a little dehydrated. You don't drink enough water.
That's true.
You have good texture, good elasticity, no pigmentation, a little bit of some congestion by the T-zone area.
I have a lot of blackheads on my nose.
Yeah, some blackheads.
And on my chin.
Yeah,
Isn't
this
that
is all the
weird?
T-zone area.
Oh.
So we'll clean all that out. The Hydrafacial uses a vortex fusion, so it's going to extract painlessly. It's almost done through like a vacuum setting. We'll do a nice hydrating mask for you, and I'll also add on some LED lights. So the first step of the Hydrafacial after we cleanse the face is lymphatic drainage. So we're going to start by doing some lymphatic drainage. This is going to remove any toxins out of the face. It helps with puffiness, swelling, any pressure, sinus congestion, and it also contours the face too. So the next step of the Hydrafacial is cleansing and exfoliating. So we're going to turn the machine on. We're going to turn the suction up. And we're going to start by doing the Hydrafacial. So the next step of the Hydrafacial, step 2, is the Glacial peel. It's 7.5% glycolic and salicylic acid. So this is amazing. It's going to help prep the skin for extractions. It's going to help with skin tone, texture. There's no downtime. It's just going to give your skin that extra glow. And it might tingle a little bit. So now we are on the third step of the Hydrafacial. This is the extraction part. So we're going to turn the vacuum all the way up. And we're going to get the blackheads out, any dead skin cells. It's painless. It's all done through a vortex fusion. So it's a vacuum. Okay. Now, after we did extractions, we're going to neutralize the peel. So right now I'm applying an Egyptian rose mask on Cara's face. This mask is really nourishing, it's hydrating, and it's also really great for sensitive skin. And it's also really cool too because it peels off in about like 15 minutes or so. And it feels amazing, it's nice and cold. Now that the mask is on Cara's face, it's going to process for about 15 minutes or so. She's going to get a nice décolleté massage and also a nice hand and arm massage and scalp massage. Okay, so now we're going to do the Lucas sprayer. So this is just misting out a nice toner over her face. It's nice, calming, it's nourishing, and it's also going to even out her skin's pH. So next we're going to do a booster. This booster is CTGF, it stands for Connective Tissue Growth Factor. This is an anti-aging booster. It's going to help tighten the skin, it helps with collagen production, fine lines, wrinkles, it's amazing. There's also a bunch of boosters that you could pick from. Today the main focus is anti-aging, so this is the best booster for her face. But there's also a Brightenol, which is good for pigmentation. There is a Hydropeptide, which is good for hydration. There's Derma Builder, which acts like Botox in a bottle. It's good for an event. So you can customize any Hydrafacial. And now that the serum is on Cara's face, we're going to help it absorb in with the LED lights. These lights are amazing. The LED light, the red light helps with circulation, irritation, redness. And then there's also a blue light, which is good for acne, congestion. It kills any bacteria. And the last step of the Hydrafacial is the antioxidant step. So this is all antioxidants, hyaluronic acids, peptides. This is like the liquid gold of the facial. It's going to give your skin that nice glow. It's going to lock in all products and really help hydrate the skin. So this is all the garbage that came out of Cara's face. This is all blackheads, dead skin cells, oils. The liquid is supposed to be clear. So you can see how it's a little dirty looking. And if you look closely, you can see little blackheads, dead skin cells in there.
And that is everything that came out of my skin. Can you believe it? This water is like supposed to be clear or starts clear, and then everything you see is all of the blackheads and whiteheads and just different things in my skin. So thank you guys for watching this far. If you made it here till the end, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.